Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can use Chase Bank app. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Inside Chase Bank, you can perform a lot of things. To set personalized option for your app, create alerts, access security features, and more. Follow these steps. Step 1. Sign into your Chase mobile app and tap on Profile and Settings icon. Step 2. Choose Connect for options to help manage your Chase account. Step 3. Tap Manage Alerts. Step 4. First, select one of your Chase accounts. You will see options of different alerts categories. Step 5. Tap Payments. Step 6. Choose when and how you want to receive the alert. Step 7. Tap Save Changes. Step 8. Back on your profile screen, you can access the Secure Message Center. Step 9. Choose Help and Support to schedule a meeting with a banker. Find ways to contact us and get answers to frequently asked questions. Step 10. In the Document Manager, you can view your account statements, tax documents, notices, letters, and more all in one place. You can also upload a requested mortgage document. Step 11. Tap Settings to see a selection of options to manage your Chase mobile banking app. Step 12. Tap Security Center to see where you have stored your cards, manage apps and websites you have linked, and track your financial health and identity monitoring. Step 13. In Personal Details, you can update your contact info, preferred language, and privacy and marketing preferences. Step 14. Sign-in preferences allows you to adjust your login information. Step 15. Choose account settings to add nicknames to your accounts, show or hide accounts, go paperless, and more. And that's how you can use Chase mobile banking app. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.